Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to edit a WhatsApp messages after sending. The first thing we will do is go to the conversation where the message we have sent is. Before continuing, you should know that the time limit you currently have to edit a message is 15 minutes. We press and hold the message we have sent. You will see that at the top 3 points are activated, so click on them. Then you will see the option to edit, so click on it. The conversation window will go into edit mode and you can modify the message sent previously. When you finish, click on the green check on the right. When you confirm this edit, you will see that below the message appears a warning to the receiver, indicating that this message has been edited, although the time that appears is the one in which it was initially sent. If it is a group, this message will appear equally for all members. You can edit the message multiple times if you need to. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.